just price and exclude all other factors, and because of that, what will happen? Our supply curve will be affected. Now if you look at on the y-axis, basically we have for example 3 level of prices 4, 7, 9, and we have a quantity which is quantity of from the sale or supply point of view. We have 7, 10 and 14. Now if you look, we are at 7. Okay, at the 7 we were supplying 10 products into the market. Now you can see when price goes high, what we'll do, we were supplying more and more. But if the price would be less, what we will do, we will try to resist to send or to sell more and more products into the market. Okay, but whenever we talk about shift to the supply curve, the idea is that you have to consider all other factors other than price while making or by observing that what kind of a shift and how graph will be increase or the decrease. If you look at that particular point, if we have a price, let's say $7, okay, and we have basically, we were selling or we were basically what we were doing, we were supplying 7 products. Okay, let's say we are just assuming that the indirect exerted by the government has been increased. Okay, if the taxes have been increased, what we will do, that's mean our cost of production has been increased. Okay, so we will try to avoid to supply more and more products in the market. So whenever the cost of the production or the indirect will be increased at the same particular price level, we will try to resist and more product into the market, or we will try to resist our supply into the market. So we are at level 2, and whenever the cost of production will be down or indirect tax exerted by the government will be down, we will try to supply more and more products into the market. Are you getting my point? So that is a basic idea from shift of the supply curve in the supply, price and quantity point of view.